Hello everyone. This video I am going to demonstrate some of the key shortcut way to open the file component, search the file component, or replace the value to the single file component or multiple file component from Visual Studio Code. Here I configure my Salesforce developer account. To view the folder structure, from activity bar, click the Explorer icon or use the key shortcut called Ctrl+Shift+E to open the folder structure from the sidebar. Under the folder, list out the Salesforce related components, for instance, Aura component, classes, Apex classes, layouts, LWC component, VA pages, triggers. So if you want to open any of the LWC component, click that LWC and navigate to the component name, then click the relevant file whichever you want to perform from the editors. If you know the file name already, from your keyboard, simply click Ctrl and P. From the search your file name, here it's list out all the file names related from your search. So this is the easy way you can open the files if you know the file name already. So the shortcut is Ctrl+P. So other way around, from the sidebar, click that folder and simply type the file name. If you notice, the file name appear and here the search result appear. Just expand that folders and whatever you typed, it's getting highlighted and you can easy way to open the files. Let me show you again. Collapse all, just clear it. From the sidebar, simply type the folders and type that whatever you know the files you want to open. So if you want to clear this one, just use this cross icon to clear. Let me show you the next topic, open recently opened file. For instance, you opened sometime before some of the files and you closed it from the editor. You want to reopen the same file again. So in that case, go to from your keyboard, simply click Ctrl+P. Here it's list out all the recently opened file. So for this example, it's list out only 2 files. Let me show you some example. Let me try to open some controller and some other Lightning Web component. And then let me try to close it. Let me go back and click from keyboard Ctrl+P. If you noticed here, all the recently opened files appear in the section. So this is the easy way you can reopen the recently opened files whenever you want. Next one, so if you want to clear this section, the recently opened items, if you want to remove or clear, then go to the files under the open recent and use this clear recently opened. So if we come back and click that Ctrl+P, then all the files get disappear. So the key shortcut to view the openly recent files, again Ctrl+P. Let me move the next topic, search from single file. Let me go to the one of the single component. Here, let me search the variable. Just to select, if you want to search the variable or method, select that value and from your keyboard, simply click Ctrl and F, and using this arrow up or down arrow, you can easy way to search, or even from Visual Studio Code, it's getting highlighted. So the key shortcut to search for the single file is Ctrl+F. Let me move the next topic, search and replace in a single file. For the same file, let's assume if you want to replace instead of greetings to greetings, again select that file. From your keyboard, use Ctrl and H is a shortcut key to replace, search and replace. So this is the searchable value and this is the replaceable value. Let me type add as a yes. If you notice here, there are 2 icons appear. So this is used to replace one by one. This is used to replace NDR from this particular file. Or even you can use the shortcut, the enter or Control Alt Enter to replace the NDR from this particular file. If you notice, it's getting replaced entirely. So the key shortcut is search and replace in single file, Control plus H. Next one, let me show you search from the NDR project. So NDR project directory. So use the key shortcut called Control Shift F. So it's nothing but this one, the search icon from the activity bar, it's appear. From here you can search. Let me search the value called greetings. If you notice, there are 9 results in 3 files. So one is COVID tracker main, demo, and demo.js. So this is the way you can search from the entire project directory. So the key shortcut is Control plus Shift plus F. Now, if you want to replace from entire project directory, from your key, simply type Control Shift H. Then type the greeting with whatever you want to replace. Let me try to replace instead of greetings to greeting. If you notice, it's getting highlighted. And even if you click this Google search details, here you can include which file you want to include or exclude from this folder searcher. And if you click this icon, it's getting replaced to NDR files. All 3 files gets replaced with the 9 results get disappear. Let me go to replace entirely, and it's prompting. It's asking the confirmation, replace 9 occurrence across 3 files with greeting. I'm trying to replace, and it's get replaced to all the places. That means all the 3 files, it's get replaced. So this is the way you can search and replace from your entire project. Control plus Shift plus H. So here the difference is to search the single file and the entire project is you need to click extra Shift. Control plus Shift is extra if you want to perform with the entire project. All right. Next one, let me show you how to show or hide the sidebar. That is the Explorer. So if you are clicking this, it's disappear. If you click again, then it's again appear. So the key shortcut to show or hide this Explorer from the sidebar, simply click Control and P. If you click Control and P, it's disappear. If you again click this Control and P, it's appear. The shortcut is Control plus P. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.